How to make money with Shopify dropshipping. Shopify dropshipping can be a profitable venture if you approach it strategically. Here are some steps to help you get started and succeed in making money with Shopify dropshipping. One, choose a niche asterisk. Research and select a niche with high demand and low competition. Consider your interests and expertise to make the business more enjoyable. 2. Conduct market research asterisk. Use tools like Google Trends, Keyword Planner, and social media to understand market trends and customer preferences. Analyze your competitors to see what products are popular and identify potential gaps in the market. Three, set up your Shopify store asterisk. Sign up for a Shopify account and choose a plan that fits your budget. Select a professional and user-friendly theme for your store. Customize your store's layout, colors, and branding to match your niche. Four, find reliable suppliers asterisk. Use platforms like Oberlo, AliExpress, or Spocket to find reliable suppliers with quality products. Order samples to test the product quality and shipping times. Five, import products to your store asterisk. Use apps like Oberlo to import products directly into your Shopify store. Write compelling product descriptions, set competitive prices, and use high-quality images. 6. Optimize your store for conversions asterisk. Ensure your store is mobile-friendly and has fast loading times. Implement trust signals like customer reviews, secure payment badges, and clear return policies. Seven. Drive traffic to your store asterisk. Use a combination of paid and organic marketing strategies. Social media marketing asterisk. Promote your products on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest. Influencer marketing asterisk. Collaborate with influencers in your niche to reach a wider audience. Content marketing asterisk. Create blog posts, videos, and guides related to your niche to attract organic traffic. Email marketing asterisk. Build an email list and send regular newsletters with promotions and updates. Eight. Monitor and analyze performance asterisk. Use Shopify's analytics tools to track your store's performance, including traffic, sales, and customer behavior. Adjust your marketing strategies and product offerings based on data insights. Nine. Optimize and scale your business asterisk. Continuously test and optimize your store's design, product offerings, and marketing strategies. Consider expanding your product range, targeting new markets, or increasing your advertising budget to scale your business. Ten. Provide excellent customer service asterisk. Respond promptly to customer inquiries and resolve issues efficiently. Ensure a smooth and hassle-free shopping experience to encourage repeat business and positive reviews. By following these steps and staying committed to continuous improvement, you can increase your chances of success with Shopify dropshipping.